Have you ever wondered why you can drink water all day and still feel tired by mid-afternoon? Or why your stamina, circulation, and bedroom confidence don't feel the way they used to, even though you're doing everything right? What if the advice you followed for years, drink more water, stay hydrated, was only part of the story? Most men over 50 have heard the same message on repeat. 8 glasses a day, keep it simple. Plain water is enough. But here's the question no one asks. What if plain water alone isn't giving your body what it actually needs anymore? This channel exists for men over 50 who want real answers about what's happening inside their bodies, without relying on pills, quick fixes, or hype. Today, you're going to learn how a small shift in how you drink water can support your energy, your circulation, your brain, and your performance where it matters most. Before we go further, let me ask you this. When was the last time your body felt truly energized from the inside out? When men in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s talk about lower energy, weaker drive, or fading morning firmness, the issue often traces back to one overlooked molecule, nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the signal that tells your blood vessels to relax and open. When it's flowing well, blood moves easily to your heart, your brain, your muscles, and yes, your manhood. You feel sharper, lighter, and more responsive. But after about age 50, natural nitric oxide production can drop dramatically, sometimes by as much as half. You don't notice it overnight. Instead, it creeps in quietly. You get winded faster. Your workouts feel heavier. Your focus slips. Erections become less reliable. Many men blame age, but the real issue is often reduced blood flow. Here's the key point most advice skips over. Plain water does not rebuild nitric oxide. Hydration matters, but water alone doesn't supply the raw materials your body needs to make this molecule. Think of it like a factory. Water keeps the lights on, but without supplies coming in, nothing gets produced. That's why so many men are hydrated, yet still feel flat and drained. The problem isn't water, it's what's missing from it. Your body needs specific nutrients, such as natural nitrates, certain amino acids, and antioxidants to restart nitric oxide production. Without them, circulation slows, energy dips, and confidence suffers. So what happens when you stop seeing water as just something to avoid thirst and start using it as a delivery system? Everything changes. Instead of energy drinks or harsh stimulants, you can turn your daily water into a signal that tells your body to wake up its own nitric oxide pathways again. Let's start with the first simple upgrade, a deep red superfood you may already recognize. Beetroot is one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates. When consumed, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, helping blood vessels open and circulation improve. For men over 50, this pathway is especially valuable because it doesn't rely as heavily on aging blood vessel cells. A simple routine is easy. In the morning, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder into a large glass of water. It turns a deep red, tastes slightly earthy, and begins working within hours. Many men notice steadier energy, better blood pressure readings, and a quiet return of morning firmness over time. Now let's support a second pathway your body loves. Have you ever associated watermelon with more than summer refreshment? Watermelon is a natural source of L-citrulline, an amino acid your body converts into arginine, the direct fuel for nitric oxide production. Citrulline absorbs better than arginine supplements and feeds nitric oxide production right where it's needed. When combined with beetroot and pomegranate, you're supporting circulation from 2 angles at once. Many men notice improved stamina and confidence within a week or 2. But the secret isn't doing everything at once. It's consistent. 1 glass in the morning to wake up circulation. 1 in the early afternoon to avoid the energy crash. Over days and weeks, these small habits help blood vessels become more flexible and responsive again. So ask yourself this. What would change if your daily water actually worked for you instead of just passing through you? Start simple. Beetroot and pomegranate for 1 week. Notice how you feel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.